Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety. Choose commercially produced padded trainers rather than improvise. Once done, verify local rules and confirm your training space is clear of people and fragile items. Make sure to inspect padding, handles, and connectors for damage. Replace components showing wear. You'll also want a clear practice surface and basic protective gear like eye protection and gloves. These first steps reduce risk and set you up to practice consistent mechanics without introducing unnecessary hazards. Once your trainer is ready, assemble only manufacturer-supplied parts and confirm secure fittings. Then practice basic handling, proper grip, wrist flicks, and short controlled swings to feel weight and balance. Make sure to use slow repetitions at first, focusing on relaxed wrists and predictable paths. Use a mirror or a trusted partner to give feedback on line and posture. As you build confidence, increase range and tempo incrementally. This staged approach teaches timing and reduces the chance of accidental strikes. Finish sessions with structured drills, figure-8 motions, controlled overhead passes, and rebound control to develop fluidity. Once done, cool down and inspect the trainer for loose connectors, compressed foam, or frayed materials. Repair or replace items before next use. If the trainer behaves unpredictably, stop immediately, make sure grips are consistent, connectors are seated, and padding is intact. If problems persist, switch to a certified replacement and consult an instructor. Proper maintenance and conservative troubleshooting keep practice safe and productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.